Okay, bestie, grab your drink. You will not believe the latest between DDG and Cinco. This is alleged, but the clips have been going wild. So let's sip tea and unpack everything like we always do. Girl, picture this. We're on a FaceTime, I'm in my nails on, fuzzy robe, and your notifications are blowing up. People are spamming my DMs with clips of DDG and Cinco throwing shots back and forth. It started off like a streamer disagreement, but then it went sideways fast. I'm going to tell you everything that's been posted and what people are alleging, and of course, we'll keep it messy but fair. So here's the alleged origin story. Fans think the tension flared up when Cinco publicly reacted to something in DDG's circle, and DDG felt like Jay was dissing a new group DDG supports. DDG then called him out for being selfish and lame for airing that stuff, and that clip blew up on socials on October 4th, 2025. Okay, receipts? There are reaction clips and live clips where Jay says he never had a real friendship with DDG and accuses DDG of behavior behind the scenes. And then DDG fires back in shorter, sharper messages telling Jay to stop talking about him. Those clips are the ones people keep replaying. Everything is alleged, but it's making the rounds. The scary and loud allegation about calling homies, label it heavy and alleged, load-bearing fact. This is the part that made a lot of fans nervous. There are social posts alleging Cinco called on his Crip homies after the disagreement. Again, this is alleged and shown in short clips and reels. But when a conflict looks like that, it absolutely raises the stakes and the chats go from tea to hold up. Please remember we're repeating what's been posted, not confirming it. The petty, meme-worthy moments. Keep it light. Alleged. Load-bearing fact. And yes, of course the internet is making this hilarious. DDG even joked he'd drop the beef if Jay fixed his front taper and threw away his oversized grill. I'm not kidding, that clip exists. It's petty, it's personal, and fans love to turn it into memes. All alleged shade, of course. 6. Community reaction and why this matters for the culture. Fans are split, polls are popping up, creators are making reaction vids, and it's turning into one of those who do you stan moments on socials. That reaction level energy shows how fast streamer, rapper beef becomes mainstream gossip. Again, everything people are arguing about here is alleged and based on clips and live streams circulating right now. 7. The fair close. What we know versus what's alleged, plus a safety reminder. All right, bestie, recap. Clips exist where both men say wild things about each other, people have accused each of different actions, and some allegations are serious. But we don't know the full private story. Always say alleged, avoid doxing, and don't take anything video of the moment as gospel. If it escalates legally or someone clarifies publicly, we'll update. For now, it's a messy internet saga. Now, bestie, let's not act like the internet didn't catch those little indirects aimed at old relationships. Some fans are saying this whole beef low-key connects to certain alleged ex-girlfriend drama. Not saying names, but if you know, you know. Clips and subtweets have been floating where people think DDG and Jay were throwing subliminal shots about loyalty and clout, and of course the blogs ran with it. Whether it's about a woman or just pride, that's when you can tell it's personal, not just professional. Allegedly, one of them even hinted that the other only brings up drama for attention, and honestly, it's giving hurt ego energy. And you know how we always joke that every beef somehow lines up perfectly with a rollout? Girl, the timing has fans side-eyeing hard. People on X and TikTok are saying this all might be alleged promo, like both are dropping music soon and needed engagement. Some fans found that DDG has a new single teasing in his story, and Cinco was in the studio around the same time. So now the rumor is that they're both capitalizing off the drama to boost streams. If that's true, it's actually kind of smart business-wise, but it makes it hard to tell what's real tea and what's strategic clout. At the end of the day, sis, this is why I always say protect your energy. Whether you're in music, content, or any kind of hustle, people will test you and the internet will twist everything for clicks. This DDG and Cinco situation, alleged or not, just reminds us to move with class even when others move with shade. Stay focused on your bag, your beauty, and your peace. Because while they're beefing online, we're over here building brands, doing nails, and sipping our matcha in peace. So bestie, here's what's allegedly going on between DDG and Ben the Don. The tension really boiled at a recent brand risk boxing event, where people say DDG sat in a spot Ben considered his. Ben accused DDG of ego tripping, like he was trying to humble him by taking space that wasn't his. Clips have circulated showing both men visibly upset, voices raised, and folks in the crowd trying to calm things. Many on social media are saying this is deeper than seats, that there's hurt pride, disrespect, and the kind of vibes that make fans say, this feels personal. But, and this is where I always hope for the healing, there is allegedly a heart-to-heart in the mix. After the public spat, DDG and Ben were seen talking it out, clearing the air, and possibly deciding to squash the beef. There's an Instagram reel of them going through conversation, making eye contact, tension dissolving. Or so the clips imply. Whether the reconciliation sticks or is just for optics, fans are watching closely, so I'll keep my alerts on and you should too. Alright besties, that's the latest scoop on these YouTube streets, from the DDG and Cinco drama to him and Ben the Don finally talking things out. Allegedly, a lot of creators are realizing that sometimes peace gets more views than beef, and honestly, I love to see it. But while the timelines are messy, we're staying cute and productive over here. I'm still dropping affordable press-on nails on my Shopify store and showing y'all how to keep your nails on point even when life's a little chaotic. So make sure you check out my Shopify and my beauty brand links down below, because a fresh set and a clear mindset always go hand in hand, okay? And before we log off, let me leave you with this, sis. You can kiki, sip the tea, and enjoy the gossip, but always remember, you come first. Keep your mental, physical, financial, and spiritual energy aligned, balanced, and protected. Don't get lost in the noise. Just keep evolving, glowing, and focusing on your own path. Because when you're centered in yourself, no amount of drama can shake your peace. Love y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Nails done, vibes right, energy protected, always. And before y'all go, I want to hear from you in the comments. Who should we talk about next on these YouTube streets? Like, which influencer, artist, or couple do you think is giving the most tea lately? Also, tell me which nail set was your favorite from today's video, because I need to know which vibes to recreate next. Are we feeling soft glam, spooky season, or rich girl neutrals? And most importantly, how are y'all really doing? Like mentally, emotionally, all of it? Check in with me, bestie. I love hearing from y'all and building this little glam and gossip space together, because it's not just about the drama. It's about growing, glowing, and keeping each other lifted while we spill a little tea.